To use the reacher, place your index and middle finger on the trigger, push down to close the claw, and release to open. To put on pants, use the reacher to grasp the waistband of your pants. Lower the clothing to the floor and insert your leg into the leg hole using the reacher to help pull the pants up the leg. Repeat for the other leg. Once you have threaded both legs into your pant holes, safely stand up and hike the pants over your hips. You can also use the reacher to pick up items that are too low or too high. The reacher can securely hold up to 5 pounds.